everyone, it's me Warda. Welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a very interesting day because today we are going for VR labs. We're going to have a tour. So let's go with me and let's have this experience together. And yes, like now I'm gonna take bus, and after bus, after the lab things are not scheduled, so we'll see where that day will take to us. So let's go. We have to go to the D block. We have to walk straight. So here you can see the inside view of the university. This lab is all about using virtual reality in our workshop. It helps us learn in a new and exciting way. Instead of just reading or listening, we can now see and interact with things in 3D. It feels like we are inside the topic we are learning. So like for example, we can explore machine safety steps or even visit a whole lab. This makes learning more fun, easier to understand, and safer too. We don't need to touch real tools or go to real places. We can learn everything in virtual world first. So the VR lab is a great step towards smart and modern education. What I feel and experience from this lab. I was very happy to having this experience, and also I wanted to share this experience with you, and I capture the parts which I can show to you guys. So if you are a student or job seeker, you can look for VR internships, research programs, or university courses. Many universities in Norway offer masters and PhD programs in VR, AR, and related fields. So if you are interested in future of technology, Norway is a great place to explore VR. There are many chances to study, work, or growth in these exciting fields, what I experienced also. And for more information, for more exciting videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on tech and education. Well, I also want to share that NTNU is also working on a project called VR Learn. It helps students learn geography by using VR to visit different places around the whole world. So if you're excited about technology and learning in a new way, NTNU is a great place to study and explore the world of reality. And I'm talking this all about my experience that we visit the lab. This is basically you are seeing in the video is the lab tour. Behind you, you have a little pedestal. Hey guys, if you have tried this one, please fill the. You only got 6 answers to find here. No, in the previous one. Please use this QR code if you don't have. Okay.
Oh,
Good enough.
looks like she's like shooting like.
Yeah, you can even throw it.
Oh, I can throw it.
Yeah, the first time I tried it, I just throw a couple of things around here.
Now I have to go for fishing?
You can jump already to the swimming part. You know more or less the basics, so you can just do one of the works.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to speak with the fisherman.
After trying a fun VR fishing game, I experienced something very different and amazing. It was a VR simulation of a rat brain. In this VR world, I could see the brain up close like it was inside. I saw different parts of brain in 3D. There were small structures like neurons and pathways showing how message travel in the brain. It helps me understand how scientists study brain activities and behavior. This kind of view is useful in research and education. Instead of just reading about the brain in a book, it could see and explore it in real time. I felt real, and it made learning much more interesting and easy to understand.
About different things. You can learn about different things about this brain. So basically, you see that in the right part, you have. If you turn right, you will see some information about what you see. You have a gray tab. Yes. So you can read different information depending on what you're selecting. So basically, you can try to select different things.
I think think I have to make it up so I can walk properly, you know? More up, like, yeah, to here. Okay. It's okay? I'm going.
Oh, wow.
I have to go here? Walking part is difficult. So now where?
Behind you.
Where is the bridge? Here?
There, yes. Straight forward.
Okay. Oh, I made the tree.
And also, I think we are doing very similar things.
Why walking is so hard?
Oh my. You took pictures of her? Yeah. Wow, that's really cool. Amazing. For Instagram? That's really nice. How did you do that?
Now what? Why I'm not moving?
Around the tree.
Today is Friday.
With the car.
I think it's
I
day
can use the car.
7.
It's the challenging one. I think the challenging is the
Okay, day 5. Oh, okay.
Wait, have you guys tried it? This one? No.
Yes.
Not anything?
The custom the section you will have
So after done with the workshop, we went out to explore the university. And the university is huge and beautiful. The roof is covered with all
It
glass.
gives a bit of a dystopian vibe because it goes so far down into the basement.
So that's the end of the day. I enjoyed the workshop a lot. It was so informative for me. Today it's a sunny day. Let's back to with the team. This is the university for computer science and technology. Huge. This is their library. It's prohibited to talk here. Oh my god. So let me tell you about the NTNU library. The library is big and useful place for students and researchers.
and you quote the content.
After done with the whole workshop, then we took a tram to see the ice lake. The ride was peaceful and the view was beautiful. When we reached the lake, everything was covered in ice. It looks like winter wonderland. You can see the whole place is covered with ice. This is the frozen lake.
Oh my. Even iPhone is sometimes.
So then we went to dinner hall for lunch. The food was nice and we had a great time relaxing. After that, I went for an evening walk to see the city. The streets were quiet and beautiful and I enjoyed the fresh air. And we went to one place for waffles. But of course it's Friday night, everything was already booked.
Streets
And
are
then we
so
searched
cute.
the another place, and of course the other place also booked. But it's okay, it's fine because we need to book for ourselves first. Then we just went to another mall, and in the mall I buy ice cream to finish the day with something sweet.
I'm craved for sweets. So this is the end of the day. So I will go home and just sleep and do the things for the next day. Yeah.